to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a BMW X1. BMW X1 xDrive, 69 reg, diamond cut alloys, parking sensors front and rear. It's self-parking the vehicle. Has a panoramic roof as well, rear parking sensors. In a really nice burnt orange colour. Parking sensors on the front as well. Remote central locking, height adjustable drive, passenger seat, Isofix passenger seat as well. In here you have your handbooks and things in there, instruction manuals. Isofix rear seats, USB-C there, two USB-Cs. Electronic tailgate, set of overmats that we're leaving in the vehicle, and here you have your inflation kit there. Power outlet here, storage pocket here, storage pocket there. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, automatic lights. To start the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, push this button and the vehicle starts. Tilt and also slides. Will slide all the way open. Has this air deflector here. This shuts the tailgate. The vehicle's done 13,199 miles. This is your infotainment screen here, so you can see you get all 6 of them on this screen. When you put it into reverse, you can see the parking sensors, but this here means it's self-parking, this button here. So that is self-parking this vehicle. Has no CD player, but you stream the music through your phone. Dual climate, has heated front seats. Automatic, obviously. This controls this menu here. Here you have a USB here, a nice pocket here to store stuff. You have this armrest as well, which has a storage pocket. Nice feature. In here you have a power outlet there and a storage area there. This is your different drive modes, Sport and Eco Pro. Cruise control, speed limiter. You can use these if you wish to drive tiptronically. Auto wipers as well, obviously auto lights as I showed you. This turns your stop start off. To stop the vehicle you push this button here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.